Hey dolls, welcome back. Today we're talking empties. It seems everything that I use runs out at the same time. It's inevitable and it's totally annoying, but I'm going to take this time to kind of assess everything that I'm using. If I love it, I'm going to refill it. If I don't love it so much, I'm going to replace it. So if you're looking for new stuff to use in your beauty arsenal or in your morning routine, this is going to be a good video for you guys to check out. And before we get started, I'm going to ask that you hit the subscribe button and add me to your arsenal of boss babes here on YouTube. I'd appreciate it. And let's get started. So there was a time that I used to get lash extensions, and I would pay a $55 membership fee, go in and get my lashes done, and then I would come home and in the sink I'd find 2 lashes, and I'm like, there goes $5. Totally annoying. So I knew I wanted to get out of that whole lash extension game because my lashes were becoming really super stubby, and I had a concern with that. So the last time I got my lash extensions done, I had purchased Latisse and I started that serum. So by the time I had grown out all my lashes, I was hoping to have lashes underneath ready to go. And I did. They weren't like super long, but they weren't like super stubby either. So I was actually okay with it. Latisse is pretty pricey. So then I went on a hunt for my lash serums. And the first one that I tried was Vegelash. And this did nothing for me. I used the whole thing, I gave it a shot, but it did nothing for me. So I replaced that and I went on to the Rapid Lash. Not in love with this one either. I don't know. I was really hoping for a lot more from these and I didn't really get anything out of it. So this was replaced by Miracle Lash. And Miracle Lash comes with a little brush. It's all very cute. Now this is the duo. This one actually worked a little bit. I was still on the hunt, but I thought after I exhausted everything, if I needed to go back to any of these, it would have been the Miracle Lash, truth be told. But I did do a replace on this. And I tried finally the Liaison, Volume 1. And when I tried this, I used the whole thing. This was the one that worked for me. I literally use this twice a week, like once every 3 days, essentially. Just stroke some on the top at the lash line. They say don't do the bottom lash line. I do, but definitely works. I keep my lashes maintained with this, and this is a definite refill. So if you're on a lash serum hunt, this is the one to try. I'm going to put links below for everything so you guys will have access to that, but that was a really good one for me. And speaking of eyes, in the morning, sometimes I don't really sleep really well. That's just me. When I get a really good night's sleep, I'm just so happy. But when I don't, I wake up, my eyes can be really red, and I was using the Visine products, like the lowest to the best and all of this stuff, and it just wasn't really helping with the red eye. So a friend of mine was like, use the Lumify. You're gonna love it. It's a total game changer. It just brightens your eyes. They get totally white, wakes you up. I mean, it was like, okay, I'm gonna go try it. It's not cheap, but I tried it and it was exactly what my friend had told me. I love the Lumify. I am out of it now. I'm so bummed, but this is a definite refill and worth its weight in gold when we're talking about the expense of it. But it's really good. The next thing is my antiperspirant. I need it. I love the Dove sprays. There are several. I actually have the Dry Invisible It's no white marks, right, on 100 colors. And then you just have the dry spray beauty finish. This one actually does give me white marks. I don't know. I thought dry spray meant dry, but I guess maybe I have to let it dry a little bit more. I probably won't be getting this one again. This is a definite replace, but I will definitely refill the beauty finish. It smells good. It's just super nice. I can get dressed right afterwards, no white marks, so gotta get this. Okay, next, my pesky roots. I've actually used this a few times, the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up, but I'm not really in love with it. I just refill it because, I don't know of other products, but I found one that I really want to try, and that's the Gray Away. But this one usually has a little pointer that helps you target the roots a little better. This one didn't even come with one. Not happy about that. And the color's pretty intense. So this is probably going to be replaced this round with the Gray Away. Yeah, I'm kind of mad at you. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sad that I am out of my bio oil. Look at how much I have left. It's going nowhere. I will use every last drop of this. And by the way, you don't need a lot of it. But my bio oil, okay, when I cleanse at night, do everything that I gotta do, I will slather this on my face and go to bed. And I wake up glowing, hydrated. My skin is so supple. Bio oil is my jam. Absolutely love it. All right. Yeah, all part of this extremely expensive haul that I'm going to be doing. So sad. Bio oil. You got to try this. It's so good. So good. So typically I follow a low carb, high protein nutritional diet. But when you're following something like that, it can give you bad breath. I'm like meat, cheese, and Altoids at any given time during the day. Wow, not good. But I did find something that's actually super awesome. I have a lot of sensitivity in my mouth because I do the whitening strips and the whitening this and the whitening that, and I had to stop them. But I still need something to, you know, wash my mouth out. So I use Smart Mouth. This is really good. It is not cheap. Again, expensive haul, but really super worth getting. It has two little nozzles that when you pour it into your cup, it mixes, and then you do your swoosh. But this is really, really awesome and a definite refill. And I'll just throw this one in just because it's all part of the same game. There's my Sensodyne for my sensitive teeth that I've been having. And by the way, I never really believed in stuff like that. I'm like, toothpaste is toothpaste, but like, just give me my total and let's move on. But I can't use my total toothpaste right now because so the Sensodyne has really worked. I'm actually going to refill this one because I think I'm going to go one more round of this and then refill it maybe again or replace it at that time. Depends how my teeth feel, but it's pretty good. It works. If you're having trouble, it works. Okay, you guys, so I get FabFitFun box, right? Every season. I love it. I look forward to it. And I got this dry shampoo in it 1 year. I think I've had this for like a year. It's called the Oribe Gold Dust Dry Shampoo. I thought it was going to be like, oh my God, dry shampoo. I'm going to use this. It's going to be amazing. It's not inexpensive. It's an expensive product. It's going to be fantastic. Meh, so. Glad it's kind of gone. And I'm going to be replacing it, which I actually already did, and I'm out of this too, with my Batiste dry shampoo. I love this dry shampoo. I also love the Dove, but what I really like about this one is it's color protecting. I hadn't seen that in a dry shampoo, so this was, you know, I tried it, I loved it, it's gone, because I wet wash once a week and I dry wash once a week, and that's it. So it gets used pretty often. Definite refill. Smells so good. Shh. Okay, if you've seen my nail video, you know that I love my little Kiss Fantasy nails. I'm out of the black because I'm wearing them, and I've actually worn 2 sets out of this box, so it's time to refill it. I do get my Kiss nails in all different types of finishes, lengths, styles, and so the black I wear pretty often, and that's a definite refill. I'm going to link my nail video below for you guys to check it out, because I'm showing you exactly how to put these on. Under $10, under 10 minutes. It's amazing. So these are a refill. So typically, I'm a California girl, through and through. Grew up in La Jolla, on the beach. Can't help it. I like to keep myself a little tan. So when I do my spray tans, because sometimes I do, but it's been a while, I want to be able to do something in between going to my tanning salon. So I actually got the Versa Spa, and it's the same spray that I use at the tanning salon. I don't do the Mystic, I do the Versa Spa, and I love it. I'm out of it. And I just do like a little mist on my face and décolleté when I'm feeling a little bit more pale. But this is an absolutely amazing bronzing mist, and I highly suggest that you give it a shot. A definite refill. And last but not least, back to hair. My stylist is going to kill me that I cut my fringe. I'm telling you, I'm going to get schooled like a child next week. It happens. What are you going to do? I'm sort of like that. All right. The last 2 things that I cannot live without, and I just squeezed the last drops out of to do my hair, are my styling products. Okay, I use the Alter Ego Hasty 2 Smoothing Balm. I do about a dime size in my hand, and then I top it with a half a pump of the Kevin Murphy Young Again oil. Oh my goodness, this is my jam. My hair will stay awesome for about a week. Now again, I wet wash once a week, and then I dry wash once a week. And these I only use when I wet wash. So they lasted me quite a long time. They're not inexpensive, but they are worth it. I absolutely love these 2 together. And especially when you have big hair like I do, it's too good, too good. So let me know if you're as bad as I am and everything just runs out at the same time. I'm kind of looking for company for my misery, not gonna lie. But thank you so much for checking out my video, and let me know if you walked away with anything and what kind of products you're gonna try. Also, hit the like button. That'll help me out a little bit so I can bring some more cool videos for you. And get out there, ladies, and conquer the world. We'll see you next time.